Hola, soy Guillermo Zuluaga y estoy aquí con Nick. Él trabaja en esta fantástica compañía que se llama Yardline. ¿Qué es Yardline? Yardline es una compañía que te puede a ti prestar dinero para que tú crezcas tu negocio, para que tú puedas comprar productos, para que puedas llevar ese emprendimiento al siguiente nivel. Interesante, ¿cierto? Vamos a hacerle varias preguntas aquí a Nick para que ustedes entiendan cómo es que todo esto funciona. So Nick, I just basically said that you are the man, that you are the person that will help that person to take their business from this level to this level, leveraged on the capital that you could lend them, right?
That's what we do. That's what we do. We work with e-commerce companies that are looking to grow and scale their business, and we give them both growth capital they need to meet their needs and also the certain area of expertise to help to grow.
Perfect. So let me ask you a couple of direct questions that came to my mind that I'm sure that are the ones that they have right now. So you told me that in order for you to lend money to a Amazon seller, in this case, it has to be an established business. With that, what do you mean? How much money do they need to be selling per month so that you can consider them for a loan?
Sure. So we work with all different types of sellers. Some sellers are a lot more established than others, and some just got on Amazon or Shopify. So what we're looking for is really 3 to 4 months of revenue, top line sales, minimum of $10,000 US and up, because that's going to allow us to give them at least like an entry level product, and we can grow from there. We're going to grow with their revenue. So as their revenue and sales increase, the amount of capital that we're going to be able to make available to them is going to increase as well.
Perfect. Are these loans available only in the US or maybe Canada, Europe? How does this work?
Yep. So we work with sellers all across the world. Some of them are in South America, some are in Asia, could be in Europe as well. The only one of the qualifiers that we have is that you have a US-based entity and you have a US business bank account. If you do that, we're going to be able to work with you.
Perfect. And how much money do you make? What is the interest that you are going to charge? Because you need to make money to lend money, for sure. What is an average of an interest that you will charge someone for a loan?
Great. So what we do is we charge a simple rate of interest. So it's a non-compounding, versus like an APR, a non-compounding rate. We charge a fixed, simple interest rate. So let's say if we give somebody, as an example, $100,000. Okay. We'll give them $100,000 over the course of a 6, 9, or 12-month term. That term is conducive to allow us to give them capital every 3 or 4 months, because that's when sellers need funds. Sellers need to be purchasing more inventory and investing in marketing every 3 to 4 months, and that's what all our terms are conducive to allow us to do. So, but we'll give $100,000, let's say, over the course of a 6 month at a fixed cost of capital. So it might be on average $100,000 with the cost of capital total payback of $112,000 or $114,000. Now, if you ride out the full 6 months, it might cost you $112,000 or $114,000. But if you pay it off early, we'll give you a prepaid discount. So there's no prepaid penalties. So instead of paying it, instead of 6 months and paying it $112,000, if you pay it back in 3 months, you pay it early, you'll pay $108,000. So we'll give you a savings.
Excellent, excellent. Yep. So you pretty much covered everything that I had in mind. Anything else that you can add to the people that are listening to us right now that may help us?
Absolutely. So I'd say that we are a lender, but we provide much more than funding. So we provide the capital that you need up front for working capital and growth capital. But the way that we're able to help grow and scale your business is through our Seller Success Management program, which is like an e-commerce consultant that's going to not only help you and advise you on how to spend the funds, but also how to help optimize your business, including marketing spend and inventory management. That's really going to help sellers take their business to the next level.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much. I mean, I think that this is the solution that many people are looking for, because as you said, sellers will need that capital, on average from 3 to 4 months, and sometimes they have not gotten back the money that they have invested, and they really need more inventory to keep that business moving and growing And this is where you come in.
That's right. So it's really everything that they have from an inventory and marketing perspective. It's a reoccurring cost, right? It's not a cost that you're going to spend on once per year. You're going to be spending on it every 3-4 months. So we preach access to capital. So we really give the sellers access to the funds that they need as time goes on, and that's going to allow them to scale their business, meet the demand of the market, have enough inventory, have the market properly, and then also eventually grow at a proper rate.
Perfect. So, man, thank you very much. I hope that you guys have liked this a lot. Ya saben, acá está Nick. Oh, very last question, very important.
Yes.
How do they contact you?
So you can go to our website. It's yardline.com.
Yardline.com.
And here's our website. And if you need any of my contact information, you can reach it here. And that's me. You can contact me directly, and I'm more than happy to work with you and our friends. Thank you so much.
Nos vemos en el próximo video. Bye bye.